My God, guys, turn around.
Gets your pass one more time.
This is gonna be so good.
And then gets your second.
Again. Oh, come on. You're famous for your grunts.
People will leave him. I'm gonna be loud. Okay. Oh, thank you.
Sam Stosur and Zhang Shui have won the Australian Open. 6-3, 6-4. Unbelievable from all four players.
Oh, here we go. 2 balls, 1 point.
Some good volleying going on here.
Absolutely. Get in there, Thomas Johansson. Here he comes. Oh.
Quiet, please. What are you doing?
You're making enough noise. That's quite fun.
Shut up.
You think he's not relaxed?
He wants a front row seat. You heard it's getting good here.
I mean, I see quite a few of them actually at the top of the stadium right now. They just want to hang out. Oh, he's coming down again. He is just absolutely chilling.
I certainly don't want to see him reproduce that meal when he's above me. Anyone got an umbrella, guys?
Ladies and gentlemen, because of the delay between first and second serve, first serve.
I mean, how are we going to get this guy out of here?
Let's go.
You're supposed to.
Now what?
Wait,
Stop.
Now you're going to be the fastest that you've ever
Okay,
been.
please don't hit us.
Guys, just be aware that, you know, I can fall down from here.
You?
I got it. Oh, no! Not to me, man. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no, not there!
Wow. What a beautiful view I have. Can you zoom in, please? I'm sure your boyfriend won't be happy with that. I hope he's not gonna watch it.
Oh, Serena, please.
God, take this one.
Game, set match.
You. Yo. Uh-oh. Come on, you guys. Oh. Kim, it's coming. Ah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's it's it. Okay. Help me, please.
Come on, Todd.
Come on, mate. Go. Come on, you got it. Yes. Arrange-toi.
Hey, mais qu'est-ce que tu fais?
What happened?
Double focus.
Oh no!
Come on. Be ready.
No.
Go!
Game, set and match, Team Kyrgios.